Pupunta kami ngayon sa shop. Bibili kami ng ano guys, lagayan ng mga pang dekorasyon sa December kasi mumove na namin yun para wala nang imisin. Sinaster. Kinuha lang yung tubig ni tubig. Oo eh. Bakit ako muna tayo. Ang init. Ang set na mag-ano to.
Ano naman? Sinihira naman na rin.
Alam. Na paano ga?
Baliktad naman pala.
Ha? Baliktad?
It's not some other hands. That's why it's not.
Say good afternoon to the guys, baby.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Mr. Kong Guapo. Ang init. Banana healthy. What healthy? Uy, banana healthy? Parang apple, no? Yours pala. Mahal. Wala ko ng beers, guys.
May kamatis pa ba doon? Wala na.
Wala na.
Huwag ko na isa. Tutang sa kamatis pa.
Ilagay mo na ito.
Tunong
Kamatis.
Hindi.
Dapat yung green na yun, oh. Layot naman yan, huy. Pangit.
Merong maliit rin oh. Kaso maliit naman.
Hindi, yan na lang.
Alin?
Yung maliit.
Sige.
Ganito kalaki? Yes. Wala na. Naging wala. Tayo ng isa. Ba? Saan yung kasama? Wala.
Walang dilaw. Walang lang ko rin.
Etch. Original. Walang antibacterial. Yeah. Not yet.
Can I hold the wrist?
Ah, this one. Ta-da! Ano pa dyan?
What else? Can I see?
Oh, Mimi.
Wala na. Sa pakinsit na.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
You're okay.
Yeah?
Is it? Go home now. Init.
Hey Dad, where are you going?
You buckle up now.
Hey Dad, where are you going?
What?
Where are you going?
We're going home na.
Waiting for parents.
Ay, hindi pala. Pack and save.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know,
Guys. Nasa pack and save yung mag-ama ko, guys. Ito, kain tayo ng ice cream. Init, guys. Ayokong lumabas kasi mainit. Din ang ulo ko dahil yung anak ko ay laging daddy ng daddy, hindi makabili ng daddy ng ayos. Bahay na kami, guys. Pahingin, mami, be. Only one. One. What is this? What is this?
Go again.
What? Sky? Meron siyang ano guys, oh. Biscuits. Si Sky daw to.
One. It's a funny game. Stop, sweetie. We're not the one yet. Oh.
What are you doing? Come here. Tadaan! Ayan na guys. Luto ng asawa ko. Hi guys, kain! Ano nga ito kabe? Isdam.
Ginataang tulingan.
Ginataang tulingan. Cooked by our Gabi. And tropical juice. Good morning guys. Today is Monday. Hirap gumising. Sa tayo baon niya. Sandwich. Sliced bread lang yan sa amin. At cookies na may. Yan yung gusto niya yan. And cherry and blueberries. May pangalan pa niya. Say good morning to the guys.
Hi, guys.
Oh, it's Charlie. Look at that, Charlie. Hey, Charlie. Say good morning. Hi. Say hi, Charlie.
Hi again, Charlie. This is my card. Eat it.
Eat that one. Hi, Charlie.
Hi, Charlie.
Say right, Charlie.
I'm vlogging our daily lives. So.
It's okay.
It's Charlie. It's so
Don't be afraid.
cute.
Come here. Come on, hold him. Come on.
Come on. You can touch
No,
him.
it's okay. Come
It's
on.
alright.
No, he's fine. All right. Come here. There we go. See him? Come on, give a stroke. Put your hand on his head. No.
He's really afraid.
Come on.
It's alright.
Good boy, like. Yeah. Yeah.
Look at that.
He
You're
likes
so
it, see?
cute.
He likes it.
You're so
Yeah.
cute in the camera, you know?
Yeah.
Oh my god. How old is he?
He's 2.5.
2.5. Okay.
Do you wanna?
How old are you?
You.
Whoa. Wow, you're older than Charlie.
Yeah.
Wow.
Let's go. There's a car. Say good morning.
Is it hot?
Yeah.
Come on.
See you, Charlie.
He's off.
Yeah. Hi guys. Hi guys. Uy. Nasa bahay na ako. At ang banas. Ang banas talaga. Nag-open na ako ng mga bintana. Pero dito sa kusina, hindi ko i-open kasi maraming langaw. Taglangaw naman pag summer. Labas ko lang to guys. Lulutuin ko mamaya. Ito pa rin siya. Buo pa din. January na ano. Siguro mga isang araw. Pero ready na yung ano niya. Lagayan. Yan. Lagayan niya. Bumili kami kahapon. At may paso. Kasi yung ano namin, puno ng kalamansi, ililipat ko na sa mas malaki. Para, alam mo yun, ano na siya. Lumaki na siya. Mas lalo siyang lumago. Yung Tagalog. Bisaya, mangkuday. Oy! At ito, mga to, sunod na araw ko na ilalagay dyan sa box, pati yung mga Santa Claus, and yan, yung mga yan. At saka yung mga ano, nandun sa bintana, hindi nyo kita, maliwanag ang exposure natin. Yun, lahat yun, pati yung nasa, ano namin, balkonahin namin. Yun, kukunin din namin yun. Isang araw, or ako na ang gagawa kasi may work si Mr. Yung kaya ko lang abutin kasi alam mo naman guys, alam niyo naman, pinanganak tayong pandakikoy. And magsasaing muna ako. Bahay na kami guys. Na-pick up ko na si Odis, nakahubad. Gutom na gutom. What's that? Your favorite charon. Luluto lang ako ng crabs. Yung crabs kanina na nilabas ko, guys. Ayan na yung crab, guys.
What's all this? Wave your hand to mommy. Keep singing. Want to go down? No, it's starting now. Easy, Mom, over there. She's up the back. Mom is laughing. Good job, man. Oh, you're picking your nose. Don't pick your nose. Wait, don't pick your nose. Like that.